Hello, in this video I would like to share about Kyoto University Campus Tour. This is the Yoshida Kyoto University, and this is the iconic of Kyoto University, that is Clock Tower. The main campus itself has three parts: the North Campus, the main campus, and the South Campus. This is the main campus. And across the street, there is the North Campus. This is the North Campus Alley. We are going to the oldest faculty in North Campus, which is Faculty of Agriculture. This is where to park your bike. P.S. If you didn't put your bike on proper place, your bike will be brought by the officer. I'm gonna show you about hidden game place in this building. On the second floor, we have the prayer room. This is so Muslim friendly. And this is inside the prayer room. You can put your shoes there. They also have mukena and Quran. This is one of the greenhouse we have in Kyoto University. Now we are going to the cafeteria. On the second floor, they have co-op store. They have everything you need, and the price all are reasonable. This is the second floor dining room. In every dining room, they give us free best ocha in Kyoto, I think. On the first floor, we have to separate our food thingy. Okay, let's go back to main campus. I wanna show you something. This is the library of Kyoto University. Unfortunately, I cannot do any photograph inside. Alright, let's go home.
The next day.
After doing some laboratory works, me and Ratri-san on the evening walk around again the campus. This is the library I've mentioned before. On the evening, there are some students doing extracurricular activities. I love seeing them. There is Camphora, cafeteria of Kyoto University. They serve halal foods. That is a bus that we can use to go to UG campus, around 1 hour from Yoshida main campus, and that is free. Near Yoshida main campus, there is Yoshida Shrine. On early February, you can see the Setsubun Festival here. This is the South Campus. They have a big softball field. I love seeing them playing. They also have biggest vending machine I've ever seen. That is the rooms of students extracurricular. I think this is the biggest co-op store in Kyoto University. They close at 5 p.m. They absolutely have everything you need. That's it. hope you all enjoy this video. I'm sorry if it's too short. I hope it can help you to see the Kyoto University.
見てくれてありがとう。